How to delete COC account from Supercell ID. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your COC account from Supercell ID. So what you want to do is, first of all, you could open up your COC, or you could just go to the browser and type in COC help, or you could just type in Clash of Clans help and support. So when you go to this link, there is supercell.com. You want to go to the following link, after which tap on the tab bar icon and go to the support sections. So click on support, and then what you need here is scroll down to the bottom. You could find these options to actually go ahead and delete. So you want to select Clash of Clans from here, and what you need is, on this field, you want to scroll down a bit and look for other options. So go to About Supercell ID, after which you want to scroll down and look for these options in order to delete your account. So you could also tap on the search bar and type in delete and request deletion of your personal details. You could go to this following link, and after which you could go ahead and read all the terms and conditions, and that is how you'll be able to delete the COC account from Supercell ID. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.